Nissan Tida 2011 fuel pump problem. The fuel pump is leakage. This is the new one. How to replace? This is the location underneath the seat. This is the seat. Remove the seat. Rear seat. This is the screw. 3. This is the leakage from here. We change the new one. Press this to this one. Let's little like press and remove the pipe. This is a special tool. Wait, no. Okay. This is the old one fuel pump. Only problem leakage. This price is $300. New one. Mr. Tony, bring the new fuel pump. This is the new one. Open the seal from old one and fix in this. Okay. Yes, yes. This is a special tool for fuel pumps in this light open. If you have not special tool, you can hit in the hammer screwdriver and hit this point. Okay, tight with the special tool. It's cheap. This tool only $30. Thank you for watching, guys. Okay.